Welcome to F453 by Jam. Today we are covering Chapter 9, Databases. Let's expand our knowledge on flat files and relational databases, normalization, keys, database views, and the database management system. A flat file is just like a spreadsheet. It's easy to read, understand, search, and sort. It's limited when we want to store lots of data. It's inefficient as well. See how half a leaf name is written twice. Enter the relational database. Data is stored in tables that link to each other. The tables are slightly different to your flat files. Records and attributes are used and keys link the data together. The author ID is used to reference Harper Lee, and we can get more information about her. It's more efficient than flat files, and there's a lot more you can do. An entity relationship diagram is quite a simple way to represent the structure of a database. Relationships are one-to-one, one-to-many, or many-to-many. Many-to-many is bad practice and shunned upon in the programming community. We say it is not normalized. Many-to-many leads to duplication and confusion. We add a linking entity in the middle to rid ourselves of the awful many-to-many problem. Normalization is the process of cleaning a database. It's not the same kind we associate when talking about binary. You only need to remember 3NF for the exam, but 3NF needs to satisfy the rules of 2NF and 1NF anyway, so it's best to remember them all. You generally remove duplicates by creating a new table. Let's go through some examples. Does this table satisfy 3NF? It does. No need to be skeptical now. No duplicates that can be defined further. Unique dependent rows. All attributes depend on the primary key. What about this table? This doesn't satisfy 3NF. Be careful. The postcode can be derived from the address. We'd fix this by creating a new table containing addresses and postcodes. What about this one? No. The cost can be calculated from the quantity and price. To fix, we should calculate the cost when necessary, rather than storing it as data. There are 3 keys you'll need to learn. The primary key is a unique identifier for the record. For your exam, you have a candidate number which is unique to you. The foreign key is a link to a primary key from another table. The exam board may use your primary key as a reference to record what exam you are sitting. The secondary key is a potential candidate for the primary key. Your surname could be used as a secondary key since it's quite unique. In a search, we would narrow down the search by searching for your surname first. The database management system is all you'll need for your database needs. It contains a DDL and a DML, as well as security and viewpoints. The data description language defines the schema of a program. It's like a template for tables, field data types, etc. The data manipulation language allows the user to access and edit data. SQL is a commonly used DML which you'll need to learn the syntax for. What's a viewpoint? A viewpoint decides how you view the database. The external user view is how users see the database. A customer could view the products they have bought, but they can't view other people's bank details. The external viewpoint keeps the bank details secure. There may be several views. Customers and staff will have different viewpoints. The conceptual design view provides a single, usable view of all data. It's used by administrators. The internal low-level view shows how data is stored in the disk. This is what the engineers and programmers will be interested in. SQL is structured query language. It's the worldwide standard and it's easy to read and understand. It is a DML used to manipulate data in a database. More detail about SQL will be covered in a different video. That's all my slides. Thank you for watching. Strike that like button and subscribe for more F453 related content.